Ever wondered how engineers calculate the perfect balance between speed, force, and stroke length when designing automated systems? Today you're going to master the interactive margin calculator that takes the guesswork out of linear actuator selection. This powerful tool transforms complex engineering calculations into simple, visual results that help you make confident decisions for your automation projects. Whether you're building a solar tracker, automated furniture, or industrial machinery, understanding safety margins is crucial for reliable performance. Here's how it works. First, input your application's required force. This is the actual load your actuator needs to move, not including safety factors. Next, enter your desired stroke length, the distance your mechanism needs to travel. Then select your preferred speed. The calculator automatically shows you suitable actuator options with their respective safety margins highlighted in color-coded results. The key insight most builders miss? A 25% safety margin is your minimum baseline. But for dynamic loads or outdoor applications, aim for 50% or higher. The calculator shows these margins visually, making it impossible to accidentally undersize your system. Pay special attention to the duty cycle indicator. Continuous operation demands different specifications than intermittent use. The calculator factors this in, showing you exactly how each option performs under your specific conditions. One pro tip that saves countless headaches: always verify your power supply can handle the actuator's current draw under maximum load. The calculator displays this critical specification for each option, preventing those frustrating moments when your system stalls mid-operation. This tool eliminates expensive mistakes and ensures your automated systems perform reliably for years. Find the link in the description below to read the full tutorial.